Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to review IELTS exam. Talking about the listening section, all the four sections were very easy and doable. Talking about the reading section, which was a bit easy to moderate, two passages were very easy while one passage was a bit difficult. It was not difficult, it was moderate to difficult. So definitely for the two passages you can attempt that in 30 to 40 minutes, and then you can invest 30 or 25 minutes to the rest of the passage. So listening and reading were easier than what has been in the Jan and Feb month. Talking about the writing section, so the task 1 writing section was a bit easier, which was the pie chart shows the main reasons why students choose to study at a particular UK university in 1987 and 2007. So I think few months back the same question has been asked in the task 1, where it was something related to the bar chart, that it shows the main reasons for the same country only and for the same years as well. But this time they did a bit change, and the question was related to the pie chart. For the task 2, the question was, is it better for some people to be employed with a job they don't enjoy? To what extent do you agree and disagree? So the task 2 question was also interesting, which was a bit easy to moderate. And definitely if you have done preparation for IELTS exam, so definitely for that students it was a bit easy to attempt. And that's it from my side. And in the further part of the video I have also explained about the model template for the task 2, so you can refer to that model template. Okay, that this model template looks like this, and what you have done, guys. So definitely it can be beneficial for the reference point of view. If you do have any more doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and after your results please let me know in the comment that okay, what you scored. Thank you and bye bye.